drifting and swerving, hitting them curves, cause I'm on my way to come get you. The way that you serve it, making me nervous.
Guys, welcome back to my channel. As you guys read by the title, I am back with another video. Today's video is just gonna be an unboxing of some As I Am products. I did order this from, I believe, like a week ago. Maybe 2 weeks ago, but it did arrive on time. It took me a minute to open it, but I just want to show you guys what I got. So, I'm get straight into opening the box. But before we do that, go ahead and click that subscribe button and click that thumbs up down below. I kind of forgot what I ordered, but I know I picked up one of their hair. I picked up one of their hair color things. A lot of stuff. So I'm just gonna go over each and every one. The items that I did pick up. This is the first one we're going to be starting with. This is the As I Am Classic Curl Clarity. The first one is the Curl Clarity Shampoo. I did get the classic kind. I believe this is when they first came out. This is the first generation stuff. I just picked up the shampoo. And then these are the next items. The next one we have is the As I Am Rice Water Conditioner. I can't wait to try this. Actually, I should open them and smell them. Oh, they got a little seal on it, which is good. I can't really smell anything with that one, but it's okay. Let's see if the shampoo. Okay, the shampoo did have a little seal thing. I just literally popped it off. I just like, As I Am, when I first started using the products, it was the smell that got me at first, but then I like the results as well. The next item is the Rice Water Micellar. I don't know how to say that, but this is the micellar shampoo. Can't wait to try that as well. This is just the actual rice water. They package this up good. I'm not even gonna undo this one at all until I get ready to use it. Then we got some more of the classic line. We have the As I Am Hydration Elevation Classic. I believe this is like conditioner, if I'm not mistaken. Yes, it says intense conditioner down below. It's kind of small, but it says it's right there. So yeah, I can't wait for that. And then I have the Classic Smoothing Gel. I really want to try this on my slick backs. Just want to see how that does. It said provide moisture, hold, and shine. So I can't really try this out. And the last item I do have for this video is the As I Am Curl Color Passion in the color Passion Purple. I probably should have picked up some more colors, but I do want to try the purple first, just to see. I would have went with the red, but my hair is already red. Orange, I could have did orange, but I actually still have some colored dye that would have been the same color as that. But yes, again, I just picked up the Classic Smoothing Gel, Passion Purple Temporary Color, and I picked up the Hydration Elevation Conditioner, picked up the Rice Water Shampoo, the Classic Curl Clarity Shampoo, the Rice Water Conditioner, and the Rice Water by itself. So yes, guys, that's all for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you use some of these products, let me know which one do you use down below in the comment section, or which one you think I should have picked up also in the comment section. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.